SP with your election po kahapon, what do you think should happen with sa pending petition po nila Senator Alan questioning the June 3 session?
Well, naka-file na yun sa Supreme Court, no? And nasa kamay na yan ng Supreme Court on how to deal with it, no? So we'll leave it with them.
But should it be mooted, sir, with your election as SP?
I cannot predict what the Supreme Court will come out with, no? But the Supreme Court is no, it's a very fair body. Traditionally, it respected the processes of the Senate. So we'll leave it with them.
Sir, are you confident that you will be able to hold on to your position until 2028?
Kakaupo ko pa lang, yun na kaagad din. Kasi ako naman, honestly, I serve at the pleasure of our colleagues, no? Hindi naman ako kumbaga nasa kanila yon, no, sa mga colleagues natin. And like kilala niyo naman ako, whether Senate President or not, I will work for the Filipino people.
Sir, kasi ang ano sir ng public, kung kakayanin pa ba after ng matapos yung binanggit nyo nga, Senate Flix, then another episode or another season ng Senate Flix na naman in the coming months?
Ako, ang sentimento na nakukuha ko sa ating mga kasamahan, gusto na nila rin bumalik sa trabaho, no? Stressful din nangyari sa lahat, hindi lang naman sa akin or sa ilan na senator, lahat na stress, no? So they want to go back to the regular programming, which is legislation, debates, resolutions. Hindi kami magkaka-agree on many things, hindi rin kami we will not have the same position on many things. Pero ang position namin is certain na lahat kami gusto namin magtrabaho na. Hindi man kami mag-agree on certain bills and resolutions, but at least napagdebatihan natin at napag-usapan natin. No? At kung maaprubahan, mas maganda. Kung hindi, then that's legislation. Legislation is hindi lahat ng gusto mo nakukuha rin, no? So at least napag-uusapan, napagdedebatihan.
Sir, will the committees be able to hold hearings during the break?
Yes, they can.
Kahit na wala pa po yung ibang
ang quorum
membership
is only one, no? So mayroon silang isang senator, pwede na silang mag-hold ng hearings.
Kahit wala pa pong assignment ng yung mga minority members.
Pwede na sila mag-hold ng hearings. They can get information, they can conduct pwede na sila mag-organization rin, pwede na. No?
Sir, meron bang effort on the part of the majority na madagdagan po yung 13? Kasi considering the fact na medyo manipis pa.
Of course, we're very open. No? The majority is very open to welcoming other senators to join the group. Ang aming layunin ay magtrabaho to put the Senate back on track in terms of working on important bills. Ang priority ko ngayon, LEDAC. In fact, later on, I have a meeting with the team to narrow down the LEDAC bills. No? Kasi we only have 2 years to go. Ang cycle ng isang bill is more or less 1.5 years to 2 years. Alam niyo naman yan. No? So we barely have enough time to finish the bills. So kailangan talaga, kaya yesterday, pag may bills, talagang I talked to the chairman, I talked to the people who will debate para makita natin kung ano yung pwede nating solution and matapos yung bill. No?
Pero sir, sa style ng leadership nyo, meron bang in-expect na major changes?
Gusto ko yung style ni Senator Cheese. No, malinis yung banyo, malinis yung garden, no, mabango yung Senate. In fact, kausap ko na nga siya, hiningi ko sa supplier niya ng pabango, no. So but ang tao kasi lalo na mga bisita natin, hindi naman nila alam yung rules of the Senate. Ang first impression nila, malinis ba yung banyo, maganda ba yung garden, maliwanag ba yung yung Senado. So those are the basics. Nung mayor ako, alam ni ate, nung mayor ako, ganun rin ginagawa ko kasi image ng Senado yan, no? So that's one thing I learned from SP Cheese, na importante yung image. It might be trivial, no? Parang walang hindi importante, pero in the eyes of the public, importante yan.
SP, in case na ma-elect nga si Sen. Cheese na presiding officer ng impeachment court, bakit okay lang sa'yo? Sinasabi naman ng mga kasama mo na competent.
Let's wait, guys, kasi pag-uusapan pa yan. No? Let's wait. It will be a discussion.
Pero sir, yung BICAM ng budget mananatiling talagang open sa public.
Yes, I talked to Senator JV this morning at napag-usapan na namin yung budget process. The BICAM will remain open. The documents will be uploaded like last time. Mga transcripts uploaded rin real time. So lahat yan ipapatuloy ni Senator JV.
Sir, kahapon po nag-post si Congressman Pulong Duterte. Sabi niya, may info siya na naglabas na raw may in-issue na warrant ang ICC for Senator Bongo. If ever lang, sir, na totoo yun, and Senator Bongo will seek the help of the Senate, can he expect the same, yung binigay kay Senator Bato na protective custody?
Wala pa akong nakukuhang information na ganun. So it's very difficult to again, it's very difficult to preempt. No? Let's wait kung totoo nga yung information na yun. No?
So, sa ngayon, sir, di ba kasi parang sinasabi nila, kapag may session, hindi pwedeng mag-aresto sa Senate. May ganun bang aasahan si Senator?
Ayoko magsalita in advance kung wala pang information. Mahirap, no? Mahirap. The situations vary, no? So it's very hard to answer and then iba naman yung situation, no?
Sir, yung kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, di ba nagbaba ng Sandigan Bayan ng 90 days suspension? Ang Senate po ba kailangan pa yun i-approve o automatic na yun?
Okay. Yung kung ano yung itong 90 days suspension hindi bago ito, no? Nangyari na ito in the past, no, with other senators. So kung ano yung naging practice in the past and ano ang legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. In this case, I haven't, kasi naging busy sa pre-trial, no? So I haven't really sat down with our legal team on how to go about it. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung ano yung legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. I'll give you a straight answer pag nakausap ko na legal team. No?
Kapag separate pa ba yung sa impeachment, yung role niya as a senator judge sa impeachment?
From what I understand, pag suspended ka as a senator, kasama na rin dun yung being a senator judge. No? So the suspension is to the senator and it carries with it all the responsibilities as a senator, including becoming a senator judge.
Pero sir, natanggap niyo na po.
Or considered pa rin siya as a senator?
You have to distinguish determination of the quorum and to convict. No? These are two separate things. Determination of the quorum is iba yun, no? And determination to convict iba rin yun. No?
Simple sir, majority yung sa quorum. Simple majority, sir.
Ang quorum, yes, simple majority. Yeah.
Which is 13.
Yeah. Okay, guys, meron pa?
Yes, sir. Sir, naisip mo po ba na sana better time yung pagkaka-assume mo as SP? Kasi ang dami pong issue. May mga senator na tapos daw yung bago ka ma-elect talaga, ang daming issues. Sana, parang naisip mo ba na sana mas better times na parang...
Sana talaga. Lahat naman tayo gusto natin to assume a role during better times, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, pero nasa Diyos 'yan eh. No, ito yung time na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos eh. So I just have to accept His will. No, so I wish it was a better time, a more harmonious, a more less stressful, but that wasn't the time given to me. So I just have to accept that. No?
Heightened security alert pa rin po.
Yes.
Kapag mag-conduct po ng hearings ang committees, paano po ang magiging protocol?
They will have to submit the guest list ahead of time. And then sa OSAA para alam ng OSAA sino yung mga resource persons ng iba't ibang committees. Okay naman eh. I monitor the process. Okay naman. Very smooth naman yung ganun. So we will request the chairman or the COMSEC, the committee secretaries, to submit the guest list ahead of time, no, para maabangan sa ano. But we will also, ang plano namin ni Sergeant at Arms is every end of the week, tomorrow actually, we'll have a security briefing with the PNP and other agencies